Hello Wizards, we are back with another update, and this time it's a big one, so let's jump right into it. It's finally here. We are releasing new complex solutions. They have multiple sizings, in some spots up to 19. We created these solutions mainly for the hand history analyzer so we can compare them with any action you take in the game, but you can also use them to study and practice. These solutions are unique and most likely one of a kind. If you decided to solve this on your own with a high-end PC, you would spend at least 5 years continuously solving it. In GTO Wizard, you can access any spot in the game within 2 seconds. But that's not the only change coming to GTO Wizard with this update. Let's take a look at the new changes, starting with the solution browser. First, we need to change the solution browser so that it can display many sizes. Just hover over this small arrow and you can see all the actions. To orient better in the actions, we've changed how they're displayed. We've completely removed the poker table, and now you can view all actions separately, grouped by the sizings or all bets grouped together. For better visualization, we recommend using a graph view. We had to change the hand matrix so you'll see the 6 most frequent actions, but you can click on any combo to see all the actions. You can also mouse over them to highlight them so it's easier for you to read. If you want to see all the actions from a different combo, just scroll down or close the window and click on the new combo. We've improved the filtering too. Now when you mouse over any filter, the combos will highlight in the strategy table. You can click on the small arrow, which will automatically select all the actions above the selected filter, so you no longer have to click on multiple checkboxes if you want to filter for the third pair and better hands. And as before, anything you filter for will change the frequency graph, so you can study how to play precisely with specific subsets of combos. We now have new filters such as ace high, king high, and third pair, and you can filter equity buckets here too. And don't forget, you can keep filtering by specific actions, so here we can filter all combos that are checking. We've changed the navigation in the strategy table, so it's easier for you to filter by suits or select your preferred strategy table view. By the way, since we removed the table, you can use the players here to click on them, which will allow you to jump in the action selector between them. Now let's take a look at the practice mode. You can practice with solutions with many sizings once you select complex solutions, which you can also set here. You will see that we have also added a slider so you can pick from any bet you like. This should better simulate the feel of playing on a poker site. These are small shortcuts. They always represent one small, medium, or large bet and one overbet if there are any. The shortcut will always take you to the middle bet from that category. We're also introducing a focus mode, which should allow you to practice without any distractions. We've made some other minor improvements, but the major updates to practice mode are still yet to come. Now let's move on to the hand history analyzer. We've improved the detail of the analyzed hand. You now have 2 options of how to view your hands. One is the large view. Clicking on this big arrow will show and hide all the actions. And if you want to keep it more simple, use the compact view. If you want to share your analyzed hands, including the frequencies and EV, click on Export, which will generate an image you can share with your friends. So no more sharing pictures of hands from your trackers. Start sharing your hands with GTO analysis included. We have a new replayer to replay the hand. The replayer includes all the GTO actions for any street, including the frequency graph. Once you get to the hands table, we have new filters to filter between pre-flop and post-flop hands and columns with big blinds won or lost and total pot, so you can easily find the biggest pots of your session and analyze them. In addition, you can mark any hand you want in case you want to get back to it later on, or if you prefer, you can delete it. We now also support Poker Bros hand histories. Support for 888 and iPoker will be added a bit later. And besides that, we've added even more. For example, new filters and improvements of sorting and aggregation reports. We've updated the roadmap, including some release dates for new solutions. We made quite a few changes to the iPad version of GTO Wizard, and also improved the mobile version, and fixed your reported bugs and added minor features you asked for. See our Discord for more info. We want to thank you for your enormous support of GTO Wizard. We're very proud to have such an amazing community around us, and we keep working hard to deliver the best poker learning experience. You can expect new formats to be added to GTO Wizard in the following updates and new solutions for each format. We can't wait to release turn and river aggregation reports. You will be able to upload your own solutions to study and practice with them. We will release reports for Hand History Analyzer and a lot of new practice modes. It may sound like a lot, but you can expect all of these relatively soon. So thanks again to all of you, and we can't wait to show you everything we're working on. If you have any ideas for improvements, let us know on our Discord. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.